Hi, I'm Tim Duckert with AgroLiquid, Research Manager here at the North Central Research Station. Today we want to talk about the Research Supports Future Growth topic, sugar beet foliar advantages. Sugar beet foliar nutrition all begins with proper sprayer setup. We want to first look at our nozzle type, make sure that that is the proper nozzle for our product that we're applying. You can look in your favorite catalog and find that correct nozzle for the liquid fertilizer application that you're doing. One thing you can also find in that catalog to make sure that we've got the proper nozzle height off of our crop canopy for that nozzle spacing to get good even coverage of that foliar product into the crop canopy. To make sure we're getting the best advantage out of the foliar nutrition that we're applying, we want to make sure we have at least 40 psi out of this spray tip to get the proper spray pattern and coverage on our crop canopy. We also want to make sure that the daytime temperature is less than 80 degrees. Why less than 80? Well, over 80 degrees, our stomata cells can close on that leaf surface, and then it is harder for that nutrition to get into that plant. If we keep it under 80 degrees, we can effectively get that into the plant, making the best use of the nutrients that we're applying. The best time for that to happen is early morning or late evening in most locations across the country. We also want to make sure that the product that we're applying is compatible with other crop protection products so that we can save trips across the field. If you're out applying an insecticide or fungicide, add in that foliar nutrition, saving that trip. But first, do a jar test, and always remember that Fertirain, that we're talking about mainly today, does have a higher nitrogen component. Be sure to check the pesticide labels of what you're using to make sure that extra nitrogen is not going to cause a problem with the tank mix. Now let's take a look at some yield data of Fertirain on sugar beets. This foliar experiment, conducted at the North Central Research Station in 2016, showed a yield increase of 800 pounds per acre over the no foliar treatment using just 1 gallon per acre of Fertirain applied to sugar beets in the 14-leaf stage. The total recoverable white sugar was 500 pounds per acre higher than the planter-only AgroLiquid program. A 1 gallon rate of N response and a 1 gallon rate of AgroLiquid custom blend also gave a yield response shown in the chart. Balanced nutrition and essential nutrients on sugar beets at the correct rate and time will give yield returns. Fertirain provides safe and effective foliar nutrition so you can harvest more tons and produce more sugar.